What if we told you Tesla is working on a battery that could make lithium a thing of the past, a battery that charges in seconds, lasts for decades, and is made from one of the most abundant metals on Earth, aluminum? Welcome to Tesla's silent revolution, the birth of the aluminum-ion battery that might just end lithium forever. Lithium-ion batteries have powered the modern world, from our smartphones to our electric cars, but their dominance comes at a cost. Lithium is expensive and scarce. Mining it requires huge amounts of water and energy, and it generates toxic waste that harms the environment. And with global demand projected to triple by 2030, we're heading for serious supply issues. To solve this, Tesla and leading researchers have turned their attention to a new, cleaner, and faster alternative, the aluminum-ion battery. So, what exactly is an aluminum-ion battery? It works similarly to a lithium-ion battery, but instead of using lithium ions, it uses aluminum ions moving between two electrodes during charging and discharging. What makes aluminum so powerful? Well, it carries 3 electrical charges per ion, compared to lithium's 1. It's cheaper, incredibly abundant, non-toxic, and it's one of the most recyclable materials on the planet. Tesla has quietly been experimenting with next-generation battery materials for years. While much of the public focus has been on lithium iron phosphate, or LFP, internal research and key collaborations suggest Tesla is exploring aluminum-ion technology as a potential game-changer. Reports show that early aluminum-ion prototypes have achieved ultra-fast charging speeds up to 60 times faster than current lithium-ion batteries, all while maintaining high energy density and stability. When you compare them side by side, the advantages are clear: 60 times faster charging, much lower material cost, excellent safety, and a lifespan that could double that of traditional lithium batteries. So, how does it all work? The secret lies in graphene-based cathodes. These are ultra-thin carbon layers that allow aluminum ions to move freely, charge faster, and store more energy. When these aluminum ions move through the graphene, they can store 3 electrons per ion, essentially tripling the charge capacity. This means more power, faster charging, and a much longer life, all without the heat or degradation that we see in today's lithium cells. The environmental and economic advantages are massive. Unlike lithium, aluminum is plentiful and easy to source. It has the most abundant metal in the Earth's crust, and is 100% recyclable. This means no toxic chemicals, no massive water usage, and no dependence on rare earth minerals. Economically, aluminum-ion batteries could slash battery production costs by up to 50%, making electric vehicles and renewable energy storage cheaper and more accessible than ever before. Imagine the real-world potential: a Tesla car that charges in under 2 minutes, lasts for millions of miles, and never overheats. Or entire neighborhoods powered by aluminum-ion grid batteries that remain stable and efficient for decades. This isn't just an evolution in battery tech. It's a complete revolution in energy design. Of course, every major innovation faces hurdles. Aluminum-ion batteries currently have a lower energy density than the top-tier lithium cells, which means they store a bit less power per kilogram. Scaling up production and refining the necessary graphene materials also remains a challenge. But progress is accelerating fast. With Tesla's massive research and development budget and their global manufacturing infrastructure, the path to commercial aluminum-ion batteries could be much closer than we think. Tesla's silent revolution is more than just a new battery. It's a crucial step toward a cleaner, faster, and limitless energy future. The age of lithium dominance might be ending, and the aluminum-ion battery could be the spark that redefines how we power our world. The battery that ends lithium forever isn't just about Tesla's next big thing. It's about building a sustainable planet for generations to come. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this look into the future of energy, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.